All right, so first we're going to take all the caps off. Your acetone is going to have a black cap, just so you'll know the difference. I'm just going to put these here so that you can clearly see which is which. If you notice, the bottles are also labeled. They're inside these other containers, so there's less chance of spilling. Okay. And I'm going to be starting from that 0 centimeter mark anyway, so it's okay that I put them there. You do not need to put them on this line. You can set them behind these containers, but for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to do it this way. So now I'm going to take one cotton swab, one Q-tip, and place it in each of the liquids, okay? You can tell really, really, really slow process there. Okay.
They're not checking their smart passes, so I'm still doing this week, the paper passes. I talked to the seniors and they're like, no, I don't even turn them on.
Okay, and then your final step is in your bin with the paper towels. You have some wipes. You just want to wipe off this area so as it not to affect someone else's results. So just the area in between here, make sure your lab station gets put back how it was before. And that's it.